Silence isn't empty, it's full of answers. When a man knows the solitude of silence and finds the joy of quietness, he becomes free from fear and finds the joy of the dharma. Have the maturity to know that sometimes silence is more powerful than having the last word. A fool is known by his speech and a wise man by silence. Successful people always add two things on their lips, silence and smile. 5 steps to happiness. Smile more, worry less, be present, keep more, expect less. Patience is not the ability to wait, but the ability to keep a good attitude while waiting. Be patient, everything comes to you in the right moment. There is no error greater than hatred, and nothing mightier than patience, so I strive in every way to learn patience. Believe nothing no matter where you read it, or who said it, no matter if I have said it, unless it agrees with your own reason and your own common sense. With our thoughts we make the world. 3 things cannot be long hidden, the sun, the moon and the truth. Remembering a wrong is like carrying a burden on the mind. Whatever precious jewel there is in the heavenly worlds, there is nothing comparable to one who is awakened. 3 things cannot be long hidden, the sun, the moon and the truth. No one can save us but ourselves. No one can and no one may. We must walk the path alone. Give even if you only have a little. Life has many different chapters. Don't let one bad chapter end the book. One positive thought can change your whole day, so the positive attitude can change your whole life. When it hurts, observe. Life is trying to teach you something. Speak only when you feel that your words are better than your silence. Never judge people who have little to nothing, as one day you may find yourself having nothing at all. Always respect one another, no matter what, never look down on anyone. Some have food but they can't eat. Others can eat but they have no food. But for you, you have both. If you are grateful, use just 5 seconds of your time and say, "Thank you, God." People will notice the change in your attitude towards them, but won't notice their behavior that made you change. When I shut my mouth and walk away, it doesn't mean you have won. It's simply you are not worth my time anymore. The best things in life are free hugs, smiles, friends, kisses, family, sleep, love, laughter, and good memories. Good friends care for each other. Close friends understand each other. But true friends stay forever, beyond words, beyond distance, beyond time. At the end of life, what really matters is not what we bought, but what we built. Not what we got, but what we shared. Not our competence, but our character, and not our success, but our significance. Live a life that matters. Live a life of love. Never trust someone who has let you down more than 2 times. Once was a warning, twice was a lesson, and anything more than that is simply taking advantage. Some men think women want money, cars and gifts, but the right woman wants a man's time, effort, passion, honesty, loyalty, smile and him choosing to put her as his priority. A woman can forget the man who broke her heart, but she can never forget the man who gathered the broken pieces, healed her soul and made her smile again. Be that man in a woman's life. A woman will fight until she can't anymore, and once she walks away, you will never see her again. Dear men, close your eyes. Imagine you have a daughter. Imagine she is dating a guy just like you. Did you smile? No. Then change. A good man doesn't love a million girls. He loves one girl in million ways. Don't allow someone to treat you poorly just because you love them. People may not always tell you how they feel about you, but your actions will speak for themselves. Pay attention. Some people will only love you as much as they can use you. Their loyalty ends when the benefits stop. Distance yourself from people who lie to you, disrespect you, use you, put you down. People talk behind your back for 3 reasons. When they cannot reach your level, when they don't have what you have, when they try to copy your lifestyle, but they can't. Do good and good will come to you. Things money can't buy: manners, morals, respect, character, common sense, trust, patience, class, integrity, love. Definition of stupid: knowing the truth, seeing evidence of the truth, but still believing the lie. Never argue with someone who believes their own lies. You want to make a liar mad, keep asking them questions. People will act like you are hard to deal with because you aren't easy to fool. Avoid people who are close to people who dislike you. They are dangerous. Be very careful with anyone who is close to your enemy or close to anyone who hates you. Such a person is more dangerous than your enemy because they have access to you. Any man or woman pretending to love you while they are backstabbing you, God will uproot them and send them on journey of no return. When you cut off someone from your life, they will never tell people the full story. They will only tell them the part that makes you look bad and them innocent. Always be careful of what you hear about a woman. Rumors either come from a man who cannot have her or a woman who cannot compete with her. Rumors are carried by haters, spread by fools, and accepted by idiots. Gossips are worse than thieves because they steal another person's dignity, honor, reputation, and credibility, which are impossible to restore. So remember this: when your feet slips, you can always recover your balance. But when your tongue slips, you cannot recover your words. Let them judge you, let them misunderstand you, let them gossip about you. Their opinions aren't your problems. You stay kind, committed to love, and free in your authenticity. No matter what they do or say, don't you dare doubt your worth or the beauty of your truth. Just keep shining like you do. Blue butterflies will often turn up when it's time to make a significant life change. It's often interpreted as a sign of understanding, spirituality, communication, wisdom, serenity, and faithfulness in love. Blue butterflies represent the need to be true to oneself in all aspects of life. This includes the freedom to express yourself, mainly through creative elements like art and music. The meaning of the orange butterfly is often interpreted as a symbol of flexibility, fast action, and spiritual connections to one's authentic self. Orange butterflies are often associated with the sun, beauty, and fire. They are a message that rewarding opportunities await you and will provide emotional stability, peace of mind, and happiness if you follow your intuition and gut instincts. Pay attention and slow down so you can listen and understand your next steps. I'm not perfect. I say stupid things sometimes. I laugh when I'm not supposed to. I have scars left by people who did me wrong. I'm a little crazy and probably fun change. Love me or not, but I make one promise that if I love you, I do it with a full heart. Just remember, when you are ignoring someone that loves you, you are teaching them to live without you. Silence is the best answer to someone who doesn't value your words. Don't care for those who ignore you. Care for those who are ignoring others for you. I may not be there yet, but I am closer than I was yesterday. One step can make all the difference. Life is short, time is fast, no replay, no rewind, so enjoy every moment as it comes. Surround yourself with people who talk about visions and ideas, not people. Life is like a book. Some chapters are sad, some are happy, and some are exciting. But if you never turn the page, you will never know what the next chapter has in store for you. Don't worry, God is never blind to your tears, never deaf to your prayers, and never silent to your pain. He sees, He hears, and He will deliver you. Distance yourself from people who lie to you, disrespect you, use you, put you down. When you mistreat someone that has nothing but love for you, watch God make you need that person that you mistreated. You have to be mindful of how you treat people. Never disrespect that person who made sure you were okay when nobody else did. The person you took for granted today may turn out to be the person you need tomorrow. Be careful how you treat people. Without communication, there is no relationship. Without respect, there is no love. Without trust, there is no reason to continue. It's not you. God is simply exposing some people in your life for what they really are. Pay attention. Influencing others to hate someone is an act of witchcraft. Speaking in tongues is a gift of the Spirit. Controlling your tongue is a fruit of the Spirit. Silence is more powerful than proving a point. There is nothing more powerful than a changed mind. There is nothing as powerful as a changed mind. Work hard in silence. Let success make the noise. Just be happy, it drives people crazy. Always find a reason to smile. You can't cross the sea merely by standing and staring at the water. The best way to predict your future is to create it. Understanding your past can help you to create a better future. The key to success is to start before you are ready. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of success. Measure your success by the growth of your freedom. I sit back and observe every person in my life. I know who has my back and keeps it real. I also know who talks trash behind my back and smiles in my face. I know who I can trust and who to keep at a distance. Whether I say anything or I let you be fake, just know that I know. Single isn't a status. It's a word that describes a person who is strong enough to enjoy life without depending on the wrong people. Just remember as you sit and talk about someone that what you say tells very little of their character and a whole lot about yours. The world is what we think it is. If we can change our thoughts, we can change the world. Trouble people cause trouble. My silence doesn't mean I agree with you. It means your level of stupidity rendered me speechless. If you didn't see it with your own eyes or hear it with your own ears, don't invent it with your small mind and share it with your big mouth. If you don't know the whole story, shut up. Silence is the best reply to a fool. ऑनरेबल व्यूअर्स, अगर आप मेरे चैनल को ग्रोथ देना चाहते हैं तो आप इस नीचे दिए गए सुपर थैंक्स बटन को क्लिक करके मेरे चैनल की मदद कर सकते हैं। शुक्रिया। Sometimes you have to learn to be quiet even when you got a lot to say. I'll never hate anyone, but I'll distance myself from people who don't value me. A time will come in your life when some people will regret why they treated you wrong. Trust me, it will definitely come. You are a diamond, dear. They can't break you. A friend is someone who knows the song in your heart and can sing it back to you when you have forgotten the words. Some talk to you in their free time and some free their time to talk to you. Learn the difference. Inside every strong woman was a broken little girl who had to learn how to get back up and not have to depend on anyone. No one is really busy. It all depends on what number you are on their priority list. You ever notice that sometimes people blame you for what went wrong rather than admit that they had any part of it? If people don't make an effort to be in your life, don't try so hard to be in theirs. It's not worth it. Don't worry about the family that ignores you and acts like you don't matter. Love the ones who are always there for you. A narcissist doesn't break your heart, they break your spirit. That's why it takes so long to heal. Some people aren't loyal to you, they are loyal to their need of you. Once their needs change, so does their loyalty. When a person is disrespectful, do they respect you? They continually do things that they know bothers or upsets the other person. They don't consider the other person when making decisions that influence both parties. They don't introduce them to others and they don't act like this is a person of value in their life. They try to control the other person's behavior, where they go, what they do, and who they do it with. And they don't care how any of it affects that person or makes them feel. They disregard their feelings and do whatever they want without stopping to think how what they are doing might affect or impact that person's life. They continually lie and or are disloyal. Never cry for the person who hurts you. Just smile and say, "Thank you for giving me a chance to find someone better than you." Choosing not to be involved in your child's life, neglecting them, and then playing victim must be some sort of a mental illness. It's not a child's responsibility to reach out to their dads. It's a father's job to reach out to their children. If they lie to their own child, they'll lie to anyone. Anyone who calls you jealous when they are cheating on you is toxic, manipulative, abusive, and personality disordered. Narcissists are addicts. When they can't get attention and drama from you, they will seek a hit somewhere else. Affairs, gambling, shopping, drugs, alcohol, pornography, etc. The narcissist and money. His money is his money. Your money is his money. His mom's money is his money. His boss's money is his money. It's all his. Facts about narcissists. They ghost you, betray you, replace you, and then of all things smear you and tell how horrible you are and twist facts. Rewrite history and play the victim. They kick you while you are down and enjoy seeing your pain on a sadistic level. Narcissists treat you like shit because they are completely dependent on others for validation and approval, which increases how insecure and vulnerable they feel. So they attempt to level the playing field by devaluing and discarding the very people they seek approval from in an attempt to feel less insecure and less vulnerable. The narcissist only knows two kinds of people. The ones the narcissist uses and exploits, usually their own family members such as their children, spouses, and generally anybody who loves or cares for the narcissist. Second, the ones the narcissist desperately tries to impress and copy, people who have things the narcissist themselves desires, such as money, power, status, etc. Narcissists don't apologize because they think that time will make you forget. They think ignoring what they did means it didn't happen. They believe whatever they did wrong is ultimately your fault. They don't think you deserve one. They have every intention of doing it again. Narcissists have zero comprehension of what they have done to you and firmly believe they are the victim that you have treated them terribly. A narcissist will provoke you to get a reaction out of you so they can blame it all on you. Never try and defend yourself against a narcissist. They already know you are right. They just want you to go crazy trying to prove it. A jealous family member is more dangerous than a hateful enemy. You don't know hate until your own family comes against you. From this point on, I am going to treat people exactly how they treat me. Some should be glad, some should be scared. A time will come in your life when some people will regret why they treated you wrong. Trust me, it will definitely come. Staying in a situation where you are unappreciated isn't called loyalty, it's called breaking your own heart. People will notice the change in your attitude towards them but won't notice their behavior that made you change. Sometimes I get to the point of frustration that I just become silent. Don't mistake moment for achievement. Frustration always comes before the achievement. Deal with frustration. Isolate the problem. Reflect on why you are getting so upset. Breathe deeply and tell yourself this will ultimately work out. Now look at the situation in a new way. Our fatigue is often caused not by work but by worry, frustration, and resentment. All frustrations are self-induced. The outside world can invite us to become upset, but we ultimately accept the invitation. The temptation to quit and start over infects every creative process I've ever been in. Frustration and boredom always fuel this self-doubt. Being alone with fear can rapidly turn into panic. Being alone with frustration can rapidly turn into anger. Being alone with disappointment can rapidly turn into discouragement and even worse, despair. For me, being upset is different than being frustrated. Frustration it's a little more deep inside being upset, you can get over it the next day. A sense of humor is God's antidote for anger and frustration. Anger is nothing more than an outward expression of hurt, fear, and frustration. The feeling of frustration forces one to seek inspiration. Sometimes I get to the point of frustration that I just become silent. To conquer frustration, one must remain intentionally focused on the outcome, not the obstacles. ऑनरेबल व्यूअर्स, अगर आप मेरे चैनल को ग्रोथ देना चाहते हैं तो आप इस नीचे दिए गए सुपर थैंक्स बटन को क्लिक करके मेरे चैनल की मदद कर सकते हैं। शुक्रिया। Karma says, why do we close our eyes when we pray, when we cry, when we kiss, when we dream? Because the most beautiful things in our life are not seen but felt only by the heart. Karma says, if you break someone's heart and they still talk to you with the same excitement and respect, trust me, they really love you. Karma says, when you love someone more than they deserve, surely they will hurt you more than you deserve. Karma says, don't get emotionally connected with anyone, cause when they stop talking with you, you never come out of it. Remember, people wake up with different feelings every day. No matter how hard you work to bring yourself up, there's someone out there working just as hard to put you down. The best way to deal with fake people is to ignore them. Fake people are like plastic. They look real, but they are just a cheap imitation. Fake friends are like shadows. They follow you in the sun but leave you in the dark. Fake friends are around when they think you are cool. True friends are around even when they think you are fool. Fake friends are like shadows, always near you at your brightest, but nowhere to be seen at your darkest hour. How often in your life have you been criticized for having the feelings you do? Did this make you feel invalidated? How often do you simply stuff your feelings and agree with others, saying yes when you really mean no? The simple fact of yourself, there it is, just you, no excitement about it. A very simple fact, the only thing you have, keep it as clear as you can. Keep taking time for yourself until you are you again. Life isn't about finding yourself, life is about creating yourself. You will face many defeats in life, but never let yourself be defeated. Work hard on your job and work harder on yourself. The hard work definitely paid off, and hard work always does. You will never regret working hard because hard work always pays off. Hard work always pays off, whatever you do. Work hard now, choose laziness and missed opportunities later. There is no substitute for hard work. Karma says, don't get emotionally connected with anyone, cause when they stop talking with you, you never come out of it. Remember, people wake up with different feelings every day. Karma says, when you fully trust someone without any doubt, you get one of these two results: a person for life, a lesson for life. Die with memories, not dreams. Best advice in 2 lines. Silence is the best answer for all questions. Smiling is the best reaction in every situation. Psychology says no matter how much it hurts now, someday you will look back and realize your struggles changed your life for the better. Life lesson: stop wasting your time on people who treat you good one day, then act like you don't exist the next day. Reality of life: when you give importance to people, they think that you are always free, but they don't understand that you make yourself available for them every time. Worst feeling: not being able to find the right words to describe what's exactly going on inside you. Moments become memories and people become lessons. That's life. Someone asked me, "What is your weakness?" I am sensitive. Smallest things hurt me. What's your strength? Little things make me happy too. Japanese wisdom: if it's not yours, don't take it. If it's not right, don't do it. If it's not true, don't say it. If you don't know, shut up. You are strong when you know your weaknesses. You are beautiful when you appreciate your flaws. You are wise when you learn from your mistakes. Patience and silence are 2 powerful energies. Patience makes you mentally strong. Silence makes you emotionally strong. Calmness is a human superpower. The ability to not overreact or take things personally keeps your mind clear and your heart at peace. Never design your character like a garden where anyone can walk. Design your character like the sky where everyone desires to reach. Success hugs you in private, failure slaps you in public. That's life. Karma is gonna hit some of you real hard for breaking people who had nothing but good intentions for you. There will always be people in your life who treat you wrong. Be sure to thank them for making you strong. A smart person knows what to say. A wise person knows whether or not to say it. Be so confident in who you are that no one's behavior, opinion, or rejection affects you. You are not what others think you are. You are what God knows you are. Life doesn't come with manuals. Explore it in your own way. Know your worth. Never allow anyone to play with your heart, disrespect you, or take you for granted. Tactics is knowing what to do when there is something to do. Strategy is knowing what to do when there is nothing to do. A minute of patience can change a bad mood, and that 1 minute can save the rest of the day. Life is not about the steps you have taken, but the footprints you have left behind. Family like branches on a tree. We all grow in different directions, yet our roots remain as one. I just want to say thank you to the few people in my life who have listened without judgment and loved me without conditions. You are so special to me. Thanks to those who hated me, you made me stronger. Thanks to those who loved me, you made my heart go fonder. Thanks to those who cared, you made me feel important. Thanks to those who entered my life, you made who I am today. Thanks to those who left, you showed me that nothing lasts forever. Thanks to those who stayed, you showed me true friendship. Thanks to those who listened, you made me feel like I was worth it. Free yourself from negative people. Spend time with nice people who are smart, driven, and like-minded. Relationships should help you, not hurt you. Surround yourself with people who reflect the person you want to be. Choose friends who you are proud to know, people you admire, who love and respect you, people who make your day a little brighter simply by being in it. Life is too short to spend time with people who suck the happiness out of you. When you free yourself from negative people, you free yourself to be you, and being you is the only way to truly live. The 12 steps to self-care. If it feels wrong, don't do it. Say exactly what you mean. Don't be a people pleaser. Trust your instincts. Never speak bad about yourself. Never give up on your dreams. Don't be afraid to say no. Don't be afraid to say yes. Be kind to yourself. Let go of what you can't control. Stay away from drama and negativity. Love. Psychology says when your mood is not good without any reason, you are definitely missing someone. Not one scar on my heart came from an enemy. They all came from people who love me. If you avoid the conflict to keep the peace, you start a war inside yourself. It's so frustrating to know how terrible, how fake a person actually is. Yet everyone loves them because they put on a good show. God says, remember these 4 things. I'll make a way for you. I'm fighting your battles. Prayer is the best medicine. Trust my timing. Karma says nothing is stronger than a person with a broken heart and a smiling face. Karma says, if you feel like you are losing everything, remember that trees lose their leaves every year and still they stand tall and wait for better days to come. 7 rules of life. Make peace with your past so it won't screw up the present. What others think of you is none of your business. Time heals almost everything. Give it time. Don't compare your life to others and don't judge them. You have no idea what their journey is all about. Stop thinking too much. It's alright not to know the answers. They will come to you when you least expect it. No one is in charge of your happiness except you. Smile, you don't own all the problems in the world. Walk away from arguments that lead to anger, from people who put you down, from anyone who doesn't see your worth. Walk away from mistakes and fears that don't determine your fate. The more you walk away from the things that poison your soul, the healthier and happier you will be. Life lesson. Lack of communication ruins everything because instead of knowing how the other person is feeling, we just assume. Ignore. Never ignore the effort of a person who tries to keep in touch. It's not all the time someone cares. Self-respect. Never lose your self-respect for someone who don't care about your feelings and emotions. Psychology says never trust a person that has let you down more than 2 times. Once was a warning, twice was a lesson, and anything more than that is simply taking advantage. What changed me? I've always been there for anyone who has ever needed me, but no one was there for me when I needed someone. That broke my heart and that changed me forever. My old version, please don't misunderstand, I didn't mean it like that. My new version, I don't really care anymore, tired of explaining myself. Maturity is when you know other person is lying, but you just smile and let it go. Strong women aren't born, they are made by the storms they walk through. Value the person who gave you time. It's not just a time, they share a part of life with you. If you carry joy in your heart, you can heal any moment. Dear mind, please stop thinking so much at night. I need sleep. Ego, I don't respect those who don't respect me. You call it ego, I call it self-respect. Maturity is when someone hurts you and you try to understand their situation and don't hurt them back. Immature thinking, I deserve, I am entitled. Pay my bills, take care of me, don't offend me, it's really all about me. Mature thinking, I must earn, it's about others, challenge my views, I'll buy my own stuff. Nobody owes me anything, I am responsible for my success. I don't respect people who have no empathy or compassion. The only time some people have compassion is when they are somehow benefiting from another person's pain. I don't respect people who have no integrity. They are more interested in doing what's right for them than doing what is right. I don't respect people who support and are loyal to people who unjustly hurt others. Some people, out of some misguided sense of loyalty, will not only support but encourage the bad behavior of others. You learn the hard way that you can't trust these people and they will always side with the people they are loyal to. Irregardless if you are right or not, they don't care. I don't respect people who always have a justification for their mistakes or how they treat people. Some things are wrong. They need to cut the bullshit, take ownership, and grow up. This is not being the bigger person, not calling out someone's fault because you understand where they are coming from. Pushing aside constant disrespect because you want to keep the peace. Watering down your pain so that the other person feels less guilty. Be the person who breaks the cycle. If you were judged, choose understanding. If you were rejected, choose acceptance. If you were shamed, choose compassion. Be the person you needed when you were hurting, not the person who hurt you. Vow to be better than what broke you, to heal instead of becoming bitter, so you can act from your heart, not your pain. Don't break a bird's wings and then tell it to fly. Don't break a heart and then tell it to love. Don't break a soul and then tell it to be happy. Don't see the worst in a person and expect them to see the best in you. Don't judge people and expect them to stand by your side. Don't play with fire and expect to stay perfectly safe. Life is about giving and taking. You cannot expect to give bad and receive good. You cannot expect to give good and receive bad. Read this slowly. Imagine your mind is like a garden and your thoughts are the seeds. You get to choose what seeds you plant in your garden. You can plant seeds of positivity, love, and abundance, or you can plant seeds of negativity, fear, and shame. You can spend time trying to take care of everyone else's garden, or you can work on making yours beautiful and attract other beautiful people into your garden. What seeds are you planting? People cry not because they are weak, it's because they have been strong for too long. Quiet people have the loudest minds. If someone treats you badly, just remember that there is something wrong with them, not you. Normal people don't go around destroying other human beings. A secret to living longer: less soda, more water; less worry, more sleep; less alcohol, more tea; less sugar, more fruits; less meat, more veggies; less words, more action; less anger, more laughter; less driving, more walking. Once a bird asked a bee, after a continuous hard work, you prepare the honey, but a man steals the honey. Don't you feel sad? Then the bee replied, never, because a man can only steal my honey, not the art of making honey. Things people learn too late. Everything is temporary. Life isn't fair. Family matters more than friends. Beneath anger is always fear. A lifetime isn't forever. The biggest risk is taking no risk. Things don't matter that much. Happiness is a choice. You played it too safe. Money let you be yourself, so go get it. Good man versus narcissist man. Good man. Good men set boundaries. Good men tell the truth. Good men work for what they want. Good men love you. Good men honor themselves and their relationship. Good men apologizes. Narcissist man. Narcissist men gaslights. Narcissist men lie. Narcissist men play the victim. Narcissist men love that you love them. Narcissist men are grandiose and self-serving. Narcissist men blame shift. Do you have this sign of unhealed trauma? Excessive guilt. You easily feel responsible when things go wrong, even if there were so many factors not in your control. You feel as if you are hurting others when you prioritize yourself. Mind control technique to open your third eye. Put an object in front of you in a vertical position in the center of your line of vision. Focus on the object and let your vision get blurry until you see two of the same object. Stay focused on the two objects without trying to correct your vision for at least 2 minutes. Close your eyes and let your mind explore the new images that come up. Repeat 3 times. Practice often to stimulate the production of DMT. Signs you are emotionally drained. You are easily irritated than usual. You feel restless and on edge a lot. You make easy mistakes you won't usually make. You sense a kind of detachment. You cry for no reason at all. You are struggling to feel motivated. You can't get work done. You tend to do unhealthy things. Anatomy of manipulator appears charming, expert at lying and denying, self-obsessed, uses the silent treatment to get their way. They make you question yourself and your sanity. Seeks out emotional and vulnerable people, pretty and passive-aggressive. Plays dumb to avoid blame, makes fun of you and judges you openly. Ignores your feeling, guilt trips and gaslights, isolates you from others. Depression is more than being sad, anxiety is more than worrying, OCD is more than being tidy, PTSD is more than just flashbacks, bipolar is more than mood swings, schizophrenia is more than seeing things, EDs are more than being underweight. Borderline is more than instability. Addiction is not just a choice. God has deposited love, joy, peace, grace, and all the blessings in our ATM account for unlimited use. The secret pin is prayer. Faith and prayer both are invisible, but they make impossible things possible. When fear knocks, let faith answer the door. Worrying doesn't change anything, but trusting God changes everything. Prayer is more powerful than any level of education, wealth, or status. Till my every last breath, I'll praise you, Lord. They might not like you, but they can't stop you. God's favor on your life outweighs all opposition. You may be in a tough time, but the enemy always fights you the hardest when he knows God has something great in store for you. God is leading you somewhere no matter what's going on in your life. Everything is the way it is for a reason. Have faith in His plan. Your enemies are not so far from you. They laugh with you. They give you advice and eat with you. May God expose them. God will expose every person in your life who is not for you. You won't have to dig. The proof will fall right into your lap. A person who doesn't defend you while someone slanders you is your enemy too. People hate when you show them how it feels to be treated the way they treat you. You can find better than me, worse than me, but you will never find someone like me. Sometimes people hurt you and act like you hurt them. Sometimes the best thing you can do is keep your mouth shut and your eyes open. The truth always comes out in the end. Not sure who needs this, but it's okay to be left out. God could be protecting you from something you cannot see. Some people will only love you as much as they can use you. Their loyalty ends when the benefits stop. The sooner you start, the better chances you have to succeed. Success isn't overnight. It's when every day you get a little better than before. It adds up. When it gets difficult is often right before you succeed. Success doesn't just come and find you. You have to go out and get it. Successful entrepreneurs are givers and not takers of positive energy. I don't confuse greatness with perfection. To be great anyhow is the higher achievement. No great intellectual thing was ever done by great effort. He who is not every day conquering some fear has not learned the secret of life. Everything you have ever wanted is on the other side of fear. We are captive on the carousel of time. We cannot return. We can only look behind. One cannot resist an idea whose time has come. That which comes after ever conforms to that which has gone before. I learned to always take on things I'd never done before. Growth and comfort do not coexist. Challenges are gifts that force us to search for a new center of gravity. Don't fight them, just find a new way to stand. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Above all, beware the crowd. The crowd only feels, it has no mind of its own, which can plan. The crowd is credulous. It destroys, it consumes, it hates and it dreams, but it never builds. It matters what myths we tell ourselves, which ideals we choose to honor. We are all born as empty vessels which can be shaped by moral values. Climbing to the top demands strength, whether it is to the top of Mount Everest or to the top of your career. Failure will never overtake me if my definition to succeed is strong enough. Don't take rest after your first victory, because if you fail in second, more lips are waiting to say that your first victory was just luck. Winners are not those who never fail, but those who never quit. Speak 5 lines to yourself every morning. God is always with me. Today is my day. I am a winner. I am the best. I can do it. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. We have no ability to be equal to all, have opportunities equal to their ability lane. You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits, and surely your habits will change your future. Man needs his difficulties because they are necessary to enjoy success. The best brains of the nation may be found on the last benches of the classroom. Educationists should build the capacities of the spirit of inquiry, creativity, entrepreneurial and moral leadership among students and become their role model. If a country is to be corruption-free and become a nation of beautiful minds, I strongly feel there are 3 key societal members who can make a difference. They are the father, the mother, and the teacher. चैनल को ग्रोथ देना चाहते हैं तो आप इस नीचे दिए गए सुपर थैंक्स बटन को क्लिक करके मेरे चैनल की मदद कर सकते हैं। शुक्रिया। Constantly think about how you could be doing things better. Keep questioning yourself. Persistence is very important. You should not give up unless you are forced to give up. Urgent optimism is the desire to act immediately to tackle an obstacle, combined with the belief that we have a reasonable hope of success. Optimism is the one quality more associated with success and happiness than any other. One of the things I learned the hard way was that it doesn't pay to get discouraged. Keeping busy and making optimism a way of life can restore your faith in yourself. The first step is to establish that something is possible, then probability will occur. It is the hopeful, buoyant, cheerful attitude of mind that wins. Optimism is a success builder, pessimism an achievement killer. There is abundant reason to believe that optimism, big, little, and in between, is useful to a person because positive expectations can be self-fulfilling. Optimism is essential to achievement and it is also the foundation of courage and true progress. Flaming enthusiasm backed up by horse sense and persistence is the quality that most frequently makes for success. Persistence is very important. You should not give up unless you are forced to give up. If someone don't respect, appreciate and value you, then they don't deserve you. Respect yourself if you would have others respect you. Self-respect doesn't come in an affirmation. You earn self-respect by keeping your word to yourself. Respect the process because when you respect something, you will not rush it. If they don't respect you, respect yourself and leave that situation. If they respect you, respect them. If they disrespect you, still respect them. Don't allow the actions of others to decrease your good manners because you represent yourself, not others. Never do to others what you would not like them to do to you. You get no more and no less than what you believe you deserve. You will become on the outside what you believe on the inside. If you don't believe in yourself, no one will. You are what you believe yourself to be. The way to gain a good reputation is to endeavor to be what you desire to appear. At every word, a reputation dies. We would all like a reputation for generosity and we would all like to buy it cheap. Time goes by, reputation increases, ability declines. A good reputation is measured by how much you can improve the lives of others. It is difficult to make a reputation, but is even more difficult seriously to mar a reputation once properly made. So faithful is the public. Our reputation is more important than the last $100 million. Reputation is an idle and most false imposition, oft got without merit and lost without deserving. Be more concerned with your character than your reputation, because your character is what you really are, while your reputation is merely what others think you are. Sometimes apparent resemblance of character will bring two men together and for a certain time unite them. But their mistake gradually becomes evident, and they are astonished to find themselves not only far apart, but even repelled in some sort at all their points of contact. For lack of a better word, acting is therapeutic. You really are breaking down barriers, exorcising demons, and finding more out about yourself. My entire life has been devoted to breaking down barriers, to finding common ground. I cannot abide being bored. I am so bored of being bored because being bored is so boring. In order to bring me down, you have to be able to reach me. It's hard for me to break ties, but once I'm done, I'm done. I'm working on a new me, not because the old me is bad, but because the old me can improve. I have to keep reminding myself that I am an adult and will be charged as one. If I am silent, it's because there is thunder inside me, or I am just chilling. It depends. May the odds be ever in your favor. I have gone to find myself. If I get back before I return, keep me here. I have to keep reminding myself that I am an adult and will be charged as one. Many people are educated but not totally mannered. Education in its broadest sense is the means of this social continuity of life. To educate a person in the mind but not in morals is to educate a menace to society. No one should be denied the opportunity to get an education and increase their earning potential based solely on their inability to pay for a college education. Intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education. ऑनरेबल व्यूअर्स, अगर आप मेरे चैनल को ग्रोथ देना चाहते हैं तो आप इस नीचे दिए गए सुपर थैंक्स बटन को क्लिक करके मेरे चैनल की मदद कर सकते हैं। शुक्रिया।